correctional officer got convicted of second-degree murder. That was last month, October 2025. I just wanted to talk about it, put it out there. It doesn't happen a lot that a police officer will get convicted or a correctional officer. So in this case, um, the law came down to the other side, and I just wanted to give it some light. It's a case that happened. It's not like secret or anything. You can find it online. It happened in a correction in New York. The case of a prison guard convicted of murder is a serious matter that raises significant concerns about safety and accountability within correctional facilities. Um, what happened? The case overview is a defendant called Kevin, and we're just gonna leave it like that. Location in the state prison in New York. So he was a correctional officer. No, the defendant. Yeah, he's a correctional officer, and the incident date happened in 2021. The victim was an inmate serving time for violent offenses, so he probably was there for years or something. You know what I'm saying? So the chances of this guy getting out probably were slim, or maybe he was there for life. Who knows? The incident took place during a routine shift. Evidence indicates that the guard used excessive force against the inmate. Surveillance footage captured the altercation, raising questions about the guard's actions and intentions. So, if it's on tape, you can't fight the case. Once this is on tape and there's a judge that wants to pick up this case, it's over. Charges: the guard was charged with second-degree murder. Additional charges include assault and official misconduct. And in the trial and conviction, the trial featured testimony from fellow officers and inmates. So if the officers and the inmates are talking about this case, they're cooperating. He's pretty much got a slim chance unless he gets a good lawyer. The prosecution presented evidence of a pattern of excessive force used by the guard. And in October 2025, the jury found the guard guilty. So he already got sentenced, so resulting in a conviction of second-degree murder. Sentencing is typically set for a later date. Okay, they haven't sentenced him yet. Where the guard could face a significant prison term, potentially up to 25 years to life. Implications of the case is the accountability. This conviction underscores the importance of holding law enforcement and correctional personnel accountable for their actions. Of course, prison safety. Such incidents can lead to increased scrutiny of prison conditions and the mental health of staff and inmates. Of course, yeah. Policy changes. This case may prompt discussions about the need for reform and the use of force policies within correctional facilities. And it's a complex case. This doesn't happen often. So, it's something that sometimes needs to take place to clean up a little bit.